The Airstream Basecamp is an outdoor adventurous dream. It's rugged enough to get you as far off the beaten path as you want to go and comfortable enough to keep you there for as long as you want to stay. Economically designed to meet all of your getaway needs, Basecamp is equipped with high-end features, an onboard restroom, and living space that converts to a bed. So whether you're camping, hiking, biking, kayaking, or all of the above like me, Basecamp is ready to turn your next fun adventure into the best one yet. Hey, what's going on? I'm Dave Erickson. I'm here at Brett's RV and Marine in beautiful Missoula, Montana to give you a tour and probably a biased opinion of the 2021 Basecamp from Airstream. This is the 20X. It comes in a 16 and 20. This is the 20. I've been doing a lot of research on Airstreams and I'm really intrigued at what they're doing with this Basecamp. This is definitely a trailer that is for the outdoor enthusiast for sure. And so I'm going to point out a couple of things that I noticed that I think are cool. They've got this front tank here. They've got two propane tanks in the front. This is still a hand crank to adjust the height there. I do like how they have these tinted glass windows around the front. Here's the Basecamp 20 by the numbers. It's 20 feet long, obviously. It is 7 feet 9 inches wide. The hitch weight is 535 pounds. The unit base weight with LP and batteries is 3,500 pounds. The maximum trailer capacity is 4,300. Water capacity now, freshwater tank 27 gallons, gray water tank 28, and black water tank 21 gallons. And the rugged tires are just amazing. They really say, hey, I'm going off-road, and these are tires that you'll want to use. Now, as I make my way around here, this is pretty cool. I'll go from both angles, but here, check this out. This back area here, this converts into a flat surface bed. So these come off. They use these cushions over the section here to make a bed, but they really make good use of the space back here. Underneath, little storage. They got a 50-pound max weight underneath here. Plug-ins there. The net's on the inside here, so you can store things on the go. And there's a screen here or a net that comes down for keeping the bugs out, keeping the things you want on the inside in. So pretty smart the way they have that configured here in the back. And again, like I said, I'm going to be a little more biased because I'm a big fan of Airstreams. One day I will get one. So I see something like this, I think, oh, perfect. This is so easy to haul behind, you know, some SUVs, crossovers, trucks, no problem. So if you have one of these, you can go about anywhere you want to go and have a fun little adventure and still be with an Airstream product. Now, one thing they've done here, as I found in my research, they got this latch here. So they've got the hook to go into the door. That way the door doesn't go too far over and put too much pressure on the hinges. So when you're not using it, they just put it over here. And then you close it. You'll find a similar hook right here on the right for the door when you open it. Again, this is something kind of smart and increases the longevity of your products. They do say though, that when you do have it latched, that you can't pull on it too hard or you could pull these out of their screws. But this is a smart way to keep the door open and not fly open during the wind. So let's go inside, show you what I like about this. So this right here also converts into a sleeping area. You can adjust this table down low, use the cushions to lay on top, and then you have a small area here to sleep in the front. Now I can see how you can get probably 2-3 people somewhat comfortable around this table. I can't see 4, but 2 to 3. 2 would probably be most ideal for this spot right here. I can see myself over here, you know, as a place, a workspace, or just, you know, your breakfast obviously. And then when they convert this into a sleeping area, just imagine you got 1 person here and 2 people back there. So the Basecamp really is most likely at most a 4-person sleeper. But probably most comfortable in 2 to 3. They've got cool storage above, stylish. I like the orange accents here. Just some kind of nets to hold some things on top. Also these, pull these up for privacy. You already have it as tinted windows. Again, this is the 20-footer versus the 16. Now check out how smart this is. So you've got your stove, you got your sink right here. In the back, you've got a pull-up spot for plug-ins. Plug-ins, USB ports, and then hide it away real nice. Here's your sink. You're not using it. There's that. And then the stove top. You got a 2-burner here. And just bring those down for more light. And look, more storage there. And these orange nets are on both sides. And now a closer look at the back seating / sleeping area. Lift this up, and then you got storage underneath there. If I recall, yeah, so you pull this up, these flap over, and that creates the surface that you can lay on and sleep on in the back of the Basecamp. And then storage on the inside of these. I like how these are tinted. Great little style to them. The back side of this, USB, more shelving. And then the bathroom in here. So not a lot of space, but remember, look at the size of the unit as a whole. Yeah, a little bathroom buddy there. And a mirror in there. Refrigerator, not huge, doesn't need to be. And then what's this here? Oh yeah, not a lot of space, but still space. You'd find with a lot of these units, they make the best of all the space available. And then there's your breaker. Fresh tank, gray and black water. More plugins. And if you have to, use space underneath. So the base MSRP range on an Airstream Basecamp is between $39,000 and $49,000. Definitely something you should take a look at in person. Again, a big thanks to Brett's RV and Marine here in Missoula, Montana for allowing me to share this with you. Check out all their contact information as well as their inventory, both new and used, by visiting brettsrv.com. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.